What's up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? I'm on a group ride with some of the people from Triumph Brooklyn. Some of our customers and friends and customers, both. Yeah, we're just out riding around. Right now we're in Nyack. And we're heading towards Seven Lakes, I believe. And we were at 9W Market. We had breakfast, some coffee, and we're gonna have some spirited riding, if you will. Anyways, we're riding out to where some really nice roads are, and we will get that underway. But just wanted to get a little bit in. I have not filmed at all today. Anyway, sorry, paying attention to everything going on around us here. And everyone in front of me. So far, man, it's been pretty good. Seen a lot of nice people. A lot of new, nice people. Got a good little group going here. This is my boy Edison. That's what I get for not paying attention. So, alright, just pay attention, right? Pay attention. I can hear Edison's bike in the background popping and gurgling away. On his bike too. Yeah. Rockland Lake State Park. Really like riding in groups, but today is, I don't know, just a special day. I needed to get out. I needed to get out. My new apartment, the situation was not fantastic. The move did not go extremely well. So that's why it's like, you know what? I'm gonna do something that just makes me a little happier than what I'm feeling right now. Oh man. I don't think my angle was very good. I apologize for that. Hopefully I corrected that. A little further forward. Ooh, getting a little close there. What formation we're trying to ride in here. Oh boy. That was nice of Leo. No, we are not even close, actually. I got excited because I saw the river, but no. We are not even close yet. Alright, I'm actually going to shut this down and I'll pick up later. So, alright. Kind of picking back up. We ended up getting to the Twisties, and then and I didn't have the freaking camera going. I'm an idiot. Anyways, so we are back at it. I think we're gonna stop and get some gas or something. But anyways, yeah, we're just riding around, man. We're in the Seven Lakes area of Bear Mountain. Yeah, just loving life right now. Whew, I had to open up all my vents, so I apologize if the wind noise is bad. It is a warm day today. I think it's like 85 or so, and that's New York heat. Yeah, we stopped and left my jacket out and my helmet out, and so man, everything got kind of cooked. So putting it back on got a little warm. Getting some air flow through everything makes it cool down a little quicker. There we go. Stopping to get gas. Okay, pick back up in a sec. All right, we all got fuel, and now we're gonna hit up another road. Then they're gonna stop, get a bite to eat, and I'm gonna head back because I need to finish dealing with my apartment situation. This is my boy Leo up at front, right in front of me. He is the service manager at Triumph, and he's riding a Harley. Little Sportster, man. It's really cool, actually. The tank on it is freaking beautiful. It's like a sparkly yellow. All right, we are underway. Let's get to the twisty road. Oh, I know 17A. I know this. I know this area. And just so you guys know, I am just going to record until it stops recording, until I run out of battery. Oh yeah, love this road. I know this well. Leo. It is absolutely beautiful, man. Gorgeous day. Awesome road. Really good people, man. Fucking loved hanging out with these guys. New group of people for me too. I mean, I know them from work. Never really like hung out with them. Thank goodness, not a lot of cars. I had to speak, didn't I? And then we come up on this little cute lake. I have no idea if I'm still recording. I'm not sure how much battery was actually left. But look at this. It's really pretty out here, man. I love it. I love coming here. Every time I see this, I keep saying, oh, I need to go fishing. Every time.